In this video, we demonstrate how to quickly remove background pixels from images with low contrast tonal qualities. My name is CJ Robb and I'm your facilitator. Let's get started. Go to the File pull-down menu to open. Browse to find your image. From the main toolbar, go to the Magic Wand tool. From the Options panel, go to the Select and Mask button. From here, look to the band on the left-hand side of the drawing. On the fourth icon from the top, pick on the option Selection tool. Hover over the figure in the image. When you see the rough outline of the object, pick on the figure. Notice that the figure stands out in the foreground away from the background, which now has a checkerboard on it. Look to the right-hand side of the screen. Feather the edge of the selected area by 2 pixels. This will smooth the selected area by blurring 2 pixels around the image contour. Pick on the OK button. It is now time to save the working file as a copy. To do this, go to the File pull-down menu to save as a copy. Choose the PNG Portable Network Graphic file format. You will now be able to use the PNG file in a composite illustration because the background is transparent. My name is CJ Robb. If this video was helpful to you, see more Photoshop basics on CJ Robb classes on the YouTube channel at Charisse Janelle. Thank you for watching.